Hello everyone, welcome back to the Review Pro. In today's videos, we are going to check out the top 5 best ice skates in 2020. To see the price and more information about these ice skates, please check out the links down in the description. Okay, so let's dig in the videos. Starting at number 5. We have the Botas Sabrina Blades Ice Skates. The Botas Sabrina Blades Ice Skates have an upper color of layered split leather that hugs just below the calf, as the skater flows over the ice. It is designed as ice skates for women, and the eliminated synthetic suede lining further comforts her foot. The perfect feature for figure skates for girls as well. Also, the layered split leather tongue's felt coating enhances the feel of the figure skates' leather, making them comfortable for adults or kids' ice skates. The skate uses layers thermal technology, which reinforces upper for firm support and a high degree of protection for the foot. Moreover, it has a unique manufacturing technology that creates a robust and flexible upper resistant to impact and comfortable for the foot. At number 4. We have the Jackson Figure Ice Skates. Comfortably glide around the rink with the cushion design of the Jackson Figure Ice Skates. It is engineered for casual performance that boasts the soft padded interior and a soft skate 180 consistently keep you supported and maintain your stride. It uses an Ultimate Mark I stainless steel blade for long-lasting performance and durability. The PVC outsole enhances stiffness to maintain your speed and pace. Also, its reinforced vinyl upper helps minimize tears for consistent protection. It comes with a padded tongue and rolled collar that provides a cushion warm interior for long-lasting comfort. Another advantage is that its lightweight lining softly wraps around your ankle and foot for additional comfort. Check out the description for more information about these product and latest price. At number 3. We have the Riedl 110 Opal Skates. The Riedl 110 Opal Skates are perennial favorites for natural comfort and support in a handsome and affordable boot. These recreational skates offer light support, while the quilted lining cushions feet and the split tongue design provides stability on the ice. The skate's maintenance-free PVC sole unit keeps feet dry for hours of continuous use. Its stainless steel spiral blade gives a smooth edge for carefree skating, whether in the rink or on a pond. Also, it has a quilted lining that cushions feet and the split tongue design provides stability on the ice. This skate features a stainless steel spiral blade that gives a smooth edge. At number 2. We have the American Ice Force 2.0 Hockey Skate. Engineered to provide explosive power and agility, the American Ice Force 2.0 Hockey Skate is the lightest it's ever been. It comes with a cutting-edge, customized PVC injection mold that gives it extra lateral support around the ankle and a custom field right out of the box. Also, the breathable inner liner is softly packed with padding for a customized field, and it has a nylon blade holder and toolbox for durability. To prevent blisters, you can wear super thick socks that act as a cushion between your feet and the boot. Usually, the blades of the skates come dull, which forces the buyer to pay extra for sharpening, but the blades on this ice skate come relatively sharp. Another advantage is that it uses the moisture-resistant lining to ensure comfort and an easy break. Lastly, at number 1. We have the Jackson Ultima XL Series JS1290. The Jackson Ultima XL Series JS1290 is a classic-looking, white escape, made with a vinyl-coated upper and synthetic lining to keep your feet dry. The support rating for these skates is light, which means they are an excellent choice for beginners. Also, the foam-backed vinyl/mesh comfort tone of the skates will make sure that the top of your foot is comfortable and protected from the laces. The blade of the skate is screwed into place, so you will not be able to trade it out if that was your intention. However, the outsole of the skates is made up of stylized PVC, which means it will be durable and reliable underneath your boot. All in all, these skates are a great choice for women just learning to ice skate, especially since you get a lot of value for your money. Thanks for watching. I hope you liked the video. If you found it helpful, please remember to leave a like and subscribe to my channel to see more videos like this in the next episode. If you have any questions related to these products, you can leave a comment below and I'll get back to you as soon as I can.